Alright, ladies and gentlemen, your boy is back. So, I kind of explained what happened to me with my back, but I'll explain a little bit more down in the rest of later in this video. I'm stumbling over my words. First and foremost, it is fucking hot. And when I mean hot, like, I've never sweat this bad in my life. Unfortunately, I have this big jacket on and there's zero airflow. I see everyone running around comfortable and feeling the wind in their hair, and I'm over here like an idiot in this leather jacket that I literally can't breathe in. The only reason why I have this jacket on is because I have a battery charger, so I'd have nowhere to put the battery charger, so well, the jacket's gonna have to do. I have an idea of where I'm gonna go today. Let's just say it's an area where I can cool off. I'm going to turn the camera off because it is almost dead. I have been riding around without the charger, so the battery is kind of dying, so I gotta let the battery charge for a little bit. Once I get close to the destination, I'll kind of stop, pull over, and I'll start the camera back up again, and yeah, we'll get to talking, people, because I gotta update you guys on everything that's going on. It doesn't just mean with me hurting myself, it's everything with this bike. This bike is going through a lot of changes. See, as you can see, she's seen better days. Alright, enough talking because I am roasting. I gotta get on the road to get some airflow.
A few moments later.
Wow, what a over here. Look at all this. Bet you guys ain't used to seeing this. A little bit of traffic for you guys. You know what's crazy? Is California just shut down again. Like everything started closing back up. Barbers, restaurants, bars. It's a mandatory wearing of a mask when you go into like establishments. Yet here we are, still have traffic. I don't know, it's weird. Wow, it is probably about 20 degrees colder here. Like holy shit, the temperature difference. Then we have one brake light that works. It's not very safe. Woo! Ah, truck. No, thank you. You know what's crazy when I watch like Suburban Delinquent? I mean, he rides around a lot, and he goes on the highways, and none of the highways ever look this bad. Leads me to believe LA highway is the most congested, or is NorCal? My vote's gonna go for NorCal. Oh, puppy! That dog was not having it. Oh, these bumps are not very welcoming. Yeah, thank you for finally go faster than 50. Now, where am I going? I have no idea. Why does college not look like a it looks like a neighborhood to me, and it's just random buildings. You know, right after high school, I never stepped foot inside a school ever again. I've taken college classes online. When I was in Japan, I took a couple college courses, but I never stepped foot inside an actual school. That's something I should do, is I should just go walk around in a school. No dumping. Guess I can't shit in there. We're not gonna stay in here though. What's crazy is I've been to this college before, not physically like enrolled in it, but I can't make a left here. Perfect. That sucks. No left turn unless you're me. Suckers. The gas pedal's on the right there, Chief. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to pull these forks off this bike. The front suspension feels like absolute trash right now. I didn't have to lock the wheel up. I just did. Why are people hitting their brakes? He or she has a bike helmet and doesn't have a bike. Snowing here. Holy shit. California shut down, but look at all these fucking people. My thing is you're just sitting in a park. I don't know, man. It's just doing that shit it just looks boring. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. If you guys agree, give this video a big old fat thumbs up, because I don't know about y'all, but that shit looks boring as I need to get down there, but I forgot how. You know me, I forget everything. I should really stay on my side of the road too, don't you think? Yeah, I think so. Where'd that biker girl go? She was kind of cute. I'm just curious to see what's down here. See, I'll take you guys to a little secret spot that I go to sometimes. Then everybody would want to be there, right? What the hell is in here? Someone's living in here. Do not cross fence. No, don't worry, I ain't going in there anyway. So, about 3 weeks ago, I ended up hurting my back. Pretty badly. It's not sketchy at all. Low clearance. It's okay. Got my helmet on. Yeah. Oh, I guess I know I can't bring the bike over here. Someone posted a picture, but I've been trying to get here like ever since. There's just no way to get there. Oh. It's a f***ing parking lot down there. Yeah. That's where we're going, boys and girls. That's where we are going. You know what? We're gonna pick up the story when I get down there. Just gotta figure out how to get down there. I hate this GoPro, man. Alright, so I just got gas. I have no idea where I left off. Oh man. You know how infuriating it is to not know where you left off, and then you talk about the same stuff and then realize you lost all your footage in the beginning of this video. And then you think to yourself, well, maybe I have enough to make a video. And after you see the video, you realize you don't have shit. Oh man, I have no idea where I left off. I hope I have something. So I guess I gotta sit here and talk to you guys again about the same shit I just talked to you guys about, in hopes that I captured this time around. So I guess I'll just talk to you guys about my back hurting, and I'm gonna keep it the very brief version of it. So I went to clean my bends, and I dropped the tool when I was trying to take out the front seat. Dropped the tool on my garage floor, bent over to pick it up, pinched my sciatic nerve. So that's why I've been out for 3 weeks, and that's why I haven't really came out with any content, because I've been trying to heal. Haven't been riding, haven't been practicing stunt riding because too much harsh movements and me kind of twisting my torso and stuff like that. It started hurting my lower back, so I couldn't do any stunt riding, couldn't do regular riding because bumps was hurting, and that's why I had to kind of rest a lot on this, even on this ride, because my back still isn't fully healed. So that's in short. I guess I can update you guys on the other stuff. So as far as deployment, I don't have any more information. I'm not gonna divulge too much information on it. I'm not gonna put that out there. God, this video is gonna suck. I say that with all my videos, but then again, you're your worst critique, right? Oh my god, it smells terrible right here. Oh my god, I can taste it. Oh god. That street at that corner always stinks. It always smells like butt, like straight butt that's been soaking in the sun. It sucks. Not much exciting shit happened in this video. I wasn't even gonna ride today, to be honest with you. Ah, the faint smell of weed in the air on a cool, crisp, summer breezed afternoon in San Francisco. I don't. This is confusing as shit, man. There's a red light there. There's a green light there. Which light do we go on? Holy shit, man! And then the freeway's over to the right. Oh, this is just get me out of this hellhole. Oh, get out of the way, Prius. Out of the way, Prius. Oh, well, I guess I'll just end the video here. Really ain't got nothing else. And it's just gonna be a highway riding the whole way home. So if you guys did happen to like this randomness or lack thereof content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys aren't already doing so, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. Also, shoot over my other channel. That channel's nothing but car stuff. Cars, only cars, no bikes. With that, I need each and every single one of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life's goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.